Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to set margin of elements and outside the elements. So what is a margin and what does margin do? Margin clears an area around the element. The margin doesn't have a background color and it is a completely transparent. Top, right, bottom and left margin can be changed independently using separate properties. A shorthand margin property can also be used to change all margin at once. So let's see the margin property. I want to set margin of heading and let's set margin property independently. So margin top is used to set top margin of a element. I want to set it to 50 pixel. Margin left is equal to pixel. Now let's set margin property of element at a once using shorthand margin property. So just write margin and write top margin first. I want to set top margin is equal to 16 pixel. Right margin is equal to 90 pixel. Bottom margin is equal to 120 pixel and left margin is equal to 19 pixel. So we have set margin of element. Now let's see effect of margin. We can see this is the heading which have margin left is equal to 60 pixel and margin top is equal to 50 pixel. Same as paragraph contains margin left greater than head tag which is 90 pixel. So it is the space outside of the paragraph element is greater than header element. So this way we can set margin of various element using the margin property of CSS. So this is about margin and how to set margin property. Thank you.